Well, good day everyone, it's Shenell here, and today I have an arrangement made with vegetables. You say vegetables? Why vegetables? It is the beautiful artichoke, and you see these used a lot in arrangement. I am also using the pussy willow branch, which you can see here, and it has the little pink buds before they actually bud out into an actual flower. Now, what I like about this little bud before it actually blooms into a flower bud is that it resembles the furriness of a cat's paw, which some people like to refer to this particular branch while it's in the branch form as cat's paw. And also I am using the artichoke and the paper birch, the hanging flower bud that hangs from a tree. I believe it's called a paper birch. Don't quote me on that, but I believe it is. And as you can see here, I'm going to be using the pussy willow branch. It is very tall. I'm just going to bend the stem. I'm not going to cut them down because, again, I may use them in another arrangement, more than likely, which I have throughout the years with these particular branches, and just place them inside of a tall vase. And then I'm going to separate each one of them out, as you will see in the video as well. And the artichoke flowers or vegetables that you see that I am using, they come in bunches, which is where I purchased them from. They came in bunches. They didn't come separated, each one of them individually. So you have to cut them and separate them so you can place them inside of your arrangements. They really look better when they are clustered together in an arrangement rather than in individual pieces in an arrangement. That has been my experience with them. And also the leaves on them, as you can see, being faux, you can push them up and bring them down, put them actually at a level that is good for you throughout your arrangement, as you will see me doing in this particular arrangement. Did buy mine from a flower wholesaler, a faux flower wholesaler, but I did go and check for you because I am doing the video, and you may decide to use this particular vegetable, or you can call it a flower, in your arrangement. So I did locate them only at the at-home store. I believe they were like $6 or $7 a bunch. And again, you could take them apart. It's probably was, when I looked at them, it was like maybe 5 buds on each bunch of the I'm just going to call them flowering bush. And you can again buy them at the at-home store, and I will continue to add each piece to the arrangement. And I hope you enjoy this and you get inspired to maybe use the artichoke in an arrangement in your home or in your office or whatever space it is that you would like to see it. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely subscribe. And this has been Shenell, and I'll see you, of course, in the next one. Have a wonderful day.